tidak interrogatif, tidak negatif dan tidak kata tanya, ya positif kalimatnya. What we need subject, verb to, and verb to, and object. The subject is the people or the pelaku, ya. Subjek itu people or pelaku dari kejadian itu. The subject, my mom. The verb to from go what? When. When to market, do you know market? Yes. Market. Dan ditambahkan keterangan waktu. Ya. We need to add keterangan waktu at first time. Ya. The time for simple past tense. Apa biasanya? Keterangan waktu untuk simple past tense. Last week, 2 days ago. Ini mau apa nih? Market? 2 hours ago. Yesterday aja ya, the simple one ya. We need to add the time karena supaya jelas kejadiannya kapan. Understood all of you?
Yes.
Okay. We mention this verb, yeah. This verb are verb 1 and verb 2. We need the verb 2 to make a simple past tense. And then from this verb that we mentioned just now, could you make one sentence? Bukan Nurul or Virus? Nurul, please tell me your answer.
I ate yesterday.
You ate?
Yes,
I ate fried chicken yesterday. Okay, good job. You have the subject, what? I, yeah, subject. And the verb to? Ate. The object? Fried chicken. The time? Yesterday. Good job, Nurul. The next, Virus.
My friend came to my house last night.
Last night. Okay, good job. The subject? The verb to? Came, yeah. Came, this one, yeah. Came. And then the object to your house. The time? Last night. Good job. Now we're gonna learn the negative sentence. The negative sentence, what we need to make the negative sentence from simple past.
Subject.
Apa ya? Subject, verb, before verb what? Did not. And then the verb, and then object and time. Okay, this is the formula for we make the negative sentence. Gitu ya. Why we don't need the verb to? Raida, what are you doing? Lagi ngobrol apa sih banget? Ini bu, kalian lagi ada masalah berdua? Enggak sih bu. Bertemannya yang baik, jangan berantem ya. Apa kalian lagi berantem atau lagi ngobrol?
Enggak sih, lagi cuma ngomongin ini.
Ngobrolnya nanti ya, kita belajar dulu ya. Okay, pay attention please.
Yes.
Okay, why we don't need the verb to? In positive sentence, we use verb to ya, isn't it?
Yes.
And then for the negative, why we don't need the verb to?
Karena dia nggak sebenarnya dilakukan.
Karena apa? Coba, can you guess? Ada yang bisa?
dilakuin beneran. Jadi nggak pakai verb to.
Okay, thanks for your opinion. Why we don't need? Because we have add did. Did ini mewakili verb 2. Did itu verb 2 dari do. Begitu ya. Did ini mewakili verb 2 yang tadi ada di positive sentence. Itu the right, the true answer. But your opinion is also great. Now, I'm gonna ask you to make the negative sentence. Who can raise your hand, please? Raida, kan? Zekia, okay, please tell me your answer, Raida.
Sophie did not choose the word last year.
Okay. Sophie, the subject is Sophie.
Did
Did
not
not
go
go. The verb is go ya. Okay.
to the word
To see word and the time
last week.
last week. Good job. All of you understand?
Yes.
Gampang ya, gampang ya the negative one. We need did not. Zekia?
My brother did not do this yesterday.
Okay. My brother. The subject is my brother. The did not. My brother did not drink. The first one is drink. The choose for object, yeah. And the time yesterday. Good job. Okay, next to the next sentence is. Can you guess what the next sentence? Interrogative. Interrogative itu pertanyaan. What the formula we need to make interrogative sentence? Okay, the interrogative one we need to add did, ya, at the first sentence. Sebenarnya sama positif, cuman diganti verbnya sama ditambah did. Ya kan sama kan ya? Cuma ditambah did dan diganti verb one. We have to change the verb become verb one. Gitu ya. Coba let's we make the interrogative sentence from this example. How?
Did my mom go to market yesterday?
The verb went is verb to from go, and then we need go. Ya. Did my mom or your mom bisa ganti? Did your mom go to market yesterday? Artinya apa?
Apakah ibumu pergi ke pasar kemarin?
Interrogatif ini artinya apakah ya? Bukan kapan, bukan gimana, bukan bagaimana, tapi apakah ya? The verb have to, the verb must using verb one ya. Sama kayak the negative. Karena did sudah mengandung kata lampau. Yes. Did juga ini sudah mengandung arti lampau. Okay, good job. Do you understand, all of you?
Yes.
All this sentence understand?
Yes.
The positive one understand?
Yes.
The positive one we have to use verb to. And then for negative, we need to add did not and change the verb become verb one. For the interrogative one, we have to add did and change the verb one. So ya. Okay, I have the task for you all. Task, tugas. Tugasnya adalah you have to make 3 sentences of this positive and negative and hanya cukup buat satu contoh positif, so change it to negative and change it to interrogative. attention. I hope you all understand the lesson well. And I hope you all remember about the verb to ya.
Yes.
Verb to-nya semoga bisa diingat dan dihafal. Ya. And the formula, have you write the formula on your notebook?
Yes.
Thank you for your good attention, for your good learning. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi